Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with ZoomInfo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy AI tools with ZoomInfo, first, log into your ZoomInfo account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access various features. Locate the AI tools section on the menu. Click on that section to explore the available AI functionalities. Next, choose the specific AI tool you want to deploy. Consider your business needs to ensure you select the right tool. Once you've made your selection, click on the Deploy button. You will be prompted to configure the tool settings. Customize these settings according to your preferences. Ensure you input the relevant data points for optimal performance. After configuring, review your settings before finalizing. Once satisfied, click Confirm to initiate the deployment. You will then see a loading screen as the tool is being deployed. Upon successful deployment, a confirmation message will appear. Now, navigate to the dashboard to monitor the tool's performance. Use analytics provided by ZoomInfo to track effectiveness. Regularly adjust settings based on performance insights. Finally, consider training your team on utilizing the AI tool effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.